Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Aishcream for those of you that are new, and if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. I really love and appreciate you. So today's video is going to be a turban tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to do this really cool turban style. So this actually went on my Instagram about 3-4 weeks ago and it went crazy. I was not expecting the response that I had to it, so thank you so much if you were one of the people over there that showed me some love. And if you don't currently follow me on Instagram, it's Aishcream1. I post weekly turban tutorials as well as fashion content over there, so please do join us over there. All you're gonna need is a scarf that's kind of a little on the thicker side, basically just nothing too floppy kind of thing, and you'll also need 2 hair ties. So yeah, once you've got your equipment materials, let's get into it. Hey guys, so you're going to take your scarf, and I folded this scarf over like this, and the 2 sides are similar length. And whew, look at that oily face, man. I've had a very busy filming day and decided to film this one last. Okay, so you're just going to take the 2 sides back and cross them over like this. Okay, and then just make sure that you kind of pull it taut so that it's nice and secure on your head, just like I'm doing here. Okay, then you're gonna, and basically I realized that I missed part of the clip out. I edited part of the clip out by mistake. So basically all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your bobble, your first bobble, and form a bun towards the top of the left one, and then on the right hand side tail you're gonna do it further down, and that's the bit that I accidentally edited out. But yeah, and then you just simply test, once you do the 2 bubbles, then test the positioning, and if it's not right, then just adjust it. When I did the Instagram tutorial video, that was a stroke of luck. I got it spot on in exactly the right place, but it's not always going to be the case, so just adjust it as you need to. And notice as well, you need to fluff out like this the buns so that it gives it more volume. Okay, once you're done with that, then just take the left side over to the right and tuck it in at the back or wherever your scarf falls. If it's to the side, then tuck it in at the side, it doesn't really matter. And then take the right side, bring it over. Oh, that's a bit twisted, Aisha. There you go. Take that over and then tuck that into the other side like that. And then just play around with it, fluff it out some more, move it around, rotate it, whatever you want really. Just keep playing with it until you get the desired look. And then also just kind of tidy up the sides, tuck anything in that needs tucking in. And yeah, literally it's that easy. So many ladies on my Instagram have sent me pictures of their attempts, and they have done it fabulously. So it is possible. It's definitely not impossible. So yeah, like I said, if you try this style as well, do send it to me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And yeah, this would be so nice for like an occasion. You can use different like materials, more kind of fancy materials. Yeah, love it. And I think it's the uniqueness of this style that people like. Okay guys, so that is the turban tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. And if you do try this this style, then be sure to send me a picture on Instagram, because I love seeing you guys' attempts at my turban tutorials. So yeah, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.